everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect. Are your girl man, Debbie from down a yard. You know pretty? Yeah. Now, today, we're going retro. We're going old school with the Sunday dinner. And, right here, so we have coconut. Yeah, you see my pun pan, mama. I have my grater. I have my coconut. I have my Trilani yellow yam. I have my green banana. I have my flour. My caramel about the place. I have my sugar. We're going to do for y'all today. And last but not least, y'all, I'm sorry, salt mackerel. So today's dinner, Sunday dinner, is salt mackerel, Trilani yellow yam, caramel dumpling. Check it out, y'all. It's on the channel. Green bananas and sugar and water, lemonade, Jamaican lemonade. So we lime them and something. So right here, y'all, we have some coconut that we broke and we got it out the shell. But I left one for you because I want to show you all how I got it from the shell to this stage. Get ready. You might not have a 28 so machete as I do because I'm a Jamaican, y'all. So if you don't have one, you use your hammer. Anything you have that is harder than the coconut, sorry, you can use it to break your coconut. So we get something like this. But we want to make some noise, y'all. Right? And we crack it. And we want my water. Whoops. Yeah. So I left one to crack on camera for you to see. You see the type of coconut that you use for rundown family? This is the bone dry coconut, y'all. So now, you're gonna use your knife. And be careful, y'all. You hold it to the smallest point. And you put it between the coconut and the shell. Right? Depending on the nature of the coconuts. Sometimes you can't get it out. Get right in. So you put it between the coconut, the flesh of the coconut and the shell. And you pry it like this. Right? And you get it coming off. It's a little bit tricky, but you have to, right there, right? So, this is how we got it to this stage. See it there, y'all? And let me tell you this, please make a note of this, family. When you're going to use coconut to make rundown, don't wash it. You get your clean, if you have your hand towel, or your clean kitchen rag, and you wipe it. Don't ever wash your coconut that you're going to use to make rundown. So, this is part 1 of our Sunday dinner journey. Salt mackerel rundown with Jamaican food. So family, stick and stay, get your red stripe beer, whatever that makes you comfortable. And remember, man, a Debbie from down a yard, same way, stick and stay, y'all.